you guys. All right, so what are the containers? What is it? It looks like most of us pretty much know. Thank you.
Is that what I need?
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
I think so. All right, what are the containers? What is this portion fix? And the reason I wanted to do this today is because they didn't share about it in the Super Saturday video, but there's actually a lot of tools coming out for the portion fix. They are going to be releasing a new app. I want to say that it's this spring. I wonder why they didn't say anything about it, but they did talk about it at Leadership. There's a new app. There's going to be more things available on Beachbody On Demand. A lot of tools for your clients. If you've noticed, the programs that they've been releasing they all have the container system. Whether it's the 21-day fix, program. They don't call it the 21-day fix. It's the portion fix. But the containers are the same. There's a few different variables as far as food lists and things like that go. But basically, it's an amazing tool for you as a coach to know, for you as a human to know, because really, it reminds me a lot of the food pyramid. It reminds me a lot of just basic, simple eating, a great way to teach your family how to eat, a great way to bring people in who maybe don't have any background in nutrition. They need help, implementing healthier foods into their lives and figuring out how much of what to eat. Because really, there is an obesity epidemic. That's why we do what we do, because we're trying to help that. But people don't know how to eat. And so this is a great way to teach people how to eat. So let's see. So you guys that are familiar, you calculate your portions. There's different plans that you're in. So you have these awesome little containers that you get. And each of them is different. We've got the green for veggies, the purple for fruit, the yellow is like your carbohydrates, your red is your protein, your blue is your healthy fats, and this is, yes it is, but it always usually is like empty for me because I never have like salad dressing or anything, but salad dressing, your seeds, things like that. There's also a teaspoon that gets eaten really fast. Usually it's my almond butter, or coconut oil. So yeah, so that's kind of the thing there with these containers. I rarely use them as containers. People are like, I don't need a whole another set of containers. I love getting more sets. I actually keep them as measuring cups. I rarely use my measuring cups anymore. I use my containers. We have like 3 or 4 sets stacked up in a drawer. I hardly use the lids. The lids are there for show today. But I use them as literally measuring cups, and it's so nice and convenient that way. And really, once you learn, I feel like once you learn the plan, it's so easy to implement into your daily life. And I'm gonna kind of share how I've done that. So I have used this plan on and off. I haven't been perfect, but on and off but really I feel like I implement the tools daily that I've learned. But over the last almost 4 years, this program released 4 years ago and has been huge for Beachbody ever since. I love it because there are vegan options. You can help your clients that are gluten-free. You can help your clients that want to do more of a low-carb, paleo style. There are all these different diets out there, and I feel like the portion fix is really unique because you can help these clients that come in with all these different needs, and you can kind of tweak it to them. It's very adaptable. I think my favorite reason why I like to eat this way is that it is extremely family friendly. And I want to share with you guys some ways that I have made it useful for my family, adapted to my family. So my family, we love Mexican food, Mexican food. I mean, we have tacos like all the time. So basically this is like all we ever eat is I make a big pot of salsa chicken, which is what you smell and see back there. I should have did something a little bit more breakfast-ish, but I wasn't really thinking on the time frame. But I did this one because this is literally my most requested recipe. This is the one I make the most. It's the most versatile. It's 21-day fix approved. You can use it on salads. You can use it on tacos. You can make a quesadilla. You can eat it plain. You can turn it into a taco soup. I love it. It's very freezer friendly. These are the kind of meals that I like to cook because I'm a busy mom. I'm a Beachbody mom, working mom. My husband works. We don't have a lot of time in our days with running around everywhere. So I like to cook big batches of things, throw it in the fridge, have it to grab. So this is definitely a recipe. Now, I'm gonna share with you different recipes and different things, but the catch is, in order to get the recipes, I want you guys to join the East Idaho Coach Facebook page. We're gonna get that page rolling again. That's my plan. So get in there. I will share these. I'm gonna put them in a PDF for you guys, so you're gonna have easy access to them in there. And if you guys have local coaches that you have, make sure that they're in that page and they can have access to these things as well. So when I started using Portion Fix, I realized that it was going to be a little bit time consuming if I didn't plan. And so really what sticking to a nutrition plan has done for me is it's helped me plan better. So what I like to do is at the beginning of the month, I like to get a game plan. I love using Google Docs. That's kind of what I use for all of my plans. I'll show you guys this as a little sneak peek. I'll talk about this a little bit more later. But when I got invited to do the 80-day obsession test group, I pulled up a Google Doc and I started organizing things. I started moving things around. Guys, it takes a little bit of time, but it's so worth it because after you get done planning, you're gonna have an easy grocery list to go grab your stuff, pick a day to meal prep, get all your meal prep done, and then you have a fridge full of food for a week, week and a half, or however long you plan it out for, and it is so nice. I stick this bad boy on the fridge. I know what to eat. There's no guessing. I'm not running to McDonald's for the kids and Taco Bell to myself because I love tacos. You know, which I've been doing for the last couple weeks because we have been moving and it has been crazy and I have not planned. But this makes life so much easier if you just take a little time to plan. So, like I said, put it on the fridge once you get it set. At the beginning of the month, pick a day to meal prep or to plan, and then pick a day each week to meal prep. Like I said, we love crock pot meals. I'm gonna show a couple other crock pot meals for you guys that we do. Chicken is just easy, and we eat a lot of chicken, we like it. A lot of people don't like chicken, that's okay. I got other recipes too. But barbecue chicken, same thing. We'll throw a bunch of chicken breasts in the crock pot and we do the healthier barbecue sauce. We put it on sweet potatoes. We put it, what else do we do? We do the barbecue chicken pizza. That's delicious. Oh, that's the barbecue sauce. Guys, this is on the Beachbody blog, okay? Like so many recipes there. Now, I was super skeptical about this, but it's really good, I promise, so good. All right, so doing your prep ahead of time. Okay, oh, I don't have my containers up here. Will you show me the containers back there, Matt? We can grab them. So on Amazon, you can get containers. I love to use containers for my lunches. Those are super cheap. You get like a whole stack of them. You can choose, you know, if you want the portion ones or whatever. So I love these because for lunches, it's usually like, hey, got the kids home from school. I've got little kids, so it's like preschool, kindergarten, pick up, home, get them fed. Now what? I don't want to sit there and I don't want to have to cook and plan whatever, all my food. And so I can just literally have my food already cooked in the fridge, pull it out. So usually for that, I'll do things like I'll bake a bunch of sweet potatoes and pull them out and have them portioned out into my different containers. I'll do like chicken, or I'll do like, we eat a lot of venison, so I'll do like burgers, like hamburgers out of our venison, and then whatever veggies I want. I use frozen veggies. I feel like they're just easier to have in the freezer, pull them out, portion them out, use my handy little container, and I've got a stack of meals, lunches in the fridge for me for the week. I've got a whole crock pot of chicken, whatever, that we can use for tacos, quesadillas, salads, for dinner and whatnot. Okay, I want to show you guys. Does anyone have any questions or anything to add of what they do? Yes?
Okay, so this might be stupid, but if you make the barbecue chicken, say like on Monday,
yes,
do you just plan all of your meals that week that you're gonna use only that barbecue chicken?
Yeah, so typically what I do is I'll obviously it depends on the size of your family and whatnot, how long it's gonna last, but for us, it's like, okay, this week, let's do barbecue chicken. We'll have barbecue chicken pizzas, you know, for these 2 meals, maybe stagger them out so where it's not like 2 days in a row, or, you know, or let's do a barbecue chicken salad here. We could do a barbecue chicken quesadilla, like, you know, like just kind of vary it a little, but use the same meat because it makes it so much easier. And honestly, I'm a creature of habit. And like once I eat one thing or eat it once, I'm like kind of craving it the next day. And so I want to eat it again. And so it works for us. It might not work for everyone. Another option that you can do if you don't want to eat it like the same every meal, you like a lot of variety, freeze it. Put it in a container, put it in Ziploc bags, freeze it in a little portion size, and then pull it out next week for whatever. But yeah, essentially that's kind of what we do, and it works really well for us to just know that that's what we're gonna do. Any other questions? Okay, I want to show you guys the BOD blog because I want you guys to know how many resources there are for you and for your clients. So beachbodyondemand.com, you come here, and to find the program, nutrition guide, oops. Oh, I'm not connected to the internet. Which one is it? This one?
Pinecrest Public Wi-Fi.
Okay. There's just so many resources on here, and I find a lot of times questions that my clients or coaches ask, they are here. And so, let's see. So every workout program has a nutrition plan that goes with it. I want to show you guys a Little Obsessed one. Because it's similar to the 80-day obsession one that we'll be launching on Monday. Who's doing 80-day obsession? Yes! You guys are gonna love it. It is so fun. Hard, but it's fun. Okay.
Super fast internet.
Yeah, super duper. Okay, here we go. All right. Yeah. So if you come here, go to program materials. It's under program materials and all of your things. You have your tracker sheets that you can use. Here's the eating plan. Yep, that's cool. All right. Okay. See how long that takes to load. Okay. We'll see what it does. All right. For those of you guys that are doing 80-day obsession, I really encourage you to do your research on the nutrition plan. Right now, what you can do today, this weekend, is you can get on Beachbody On Demand, go to just like the blog, click on blog, and on the front page of the blog, there's 2 separate articles that you can click on. One is an overview of the 80-day obsession meal plan. The other one is ideas for pre-workout meals. Click on those. In the article about 80-day obsession, there is different little other links you can click on, sublinks that talk about the refeed days, that talk about the workout block, that talk about the depletion day. Now, all that might sound like a foreign language, but it's part of this nutrition plan, so I really encourage you guys to go in there and do your research and study it. If you are just going to be starting with the Portion Fix nutrition plan, do the same thing. Go research it, study it, watch the Fixate videos on Beachbody On Demand. I always send my clients there first because she explains the containers, she explains how to clean out your pantry, all of those things. So many tools and resources there for you. All right, that's just not gonna work for me. All right, okay, so let's get to this. Okay, I am going to also share this with you guys in the East Idaho Coach page. So you will, number one, you'll have a layout that you can use if you would like in Google Docs to play with your own nutrition plan. And number 2, you're gonna have a little sneak peek of what I did for 80-day obsession nutrition plan, and you can use it and tweak it how you would like. So I am not a pro. I will leave all the in-depth explanations of this and scientific reasoning to Autumn. But I can tell you that while I was doing this program, I had more energy. My brain was clear. I am addicted to caffeine. I don't even want to tell you how much caffeine I have had over the last couple of weeks, probably over the last month. But when I was on this program, I did not feel like I needed that caffeine because I was literally fueling my body every couple of hours with the proper nutrition. My muscles were recovering. I was getting that energy that I needed, that my body needed. And I really feel like that's what this program is designed to do, is to fuel your body with the proper nutrition using the portion system. So just a little on time nutrition. Basically, time nutrition, your body has these peak times, these peak windows that they are going to, build your muscles, protein synthesis, all this stuff that I really know nothing about, like I said. But I do know that when I did it, those benefits of time nutrition, I really felt them. I am a person, I have Crohn's disease, so it's an autoimmune disease. I get fatigued easy. I don't recover as quickly from workouts. Those are all things that I really appreciated the performance line for. And like I said, fueling my body throughout the day, so it helped me recover quicker. The one thing in this program that is really, really different from any other program is that you have to eat these certain things at in this order for your workout block. And so figuring out when you're going to work out, basically that's what you do first. What time of day are you gonna work out? And then you're gonna build your nutrition plan around that. So you'll figure out that what time you wanna eat, blah, blah, blah. Let's see, what was I gonna show you? Oh, okay, and then Beachbody Performance Line. How many of you guys have used Beachbody Performance Line? Okay, awesome. So you guys know how amazing it is and how crucial it is for those energy levels and for that quicker recovery. You're gonna want it for this program if you haven't already got it. All right, do you guys have any questions for me about 80-Day Obsession? Nutrition plan, anything, any of it? You guys have your loops and sliders yet? I just got an email that said mine weren't gonna ship, but luckily, I think I have a couple later that I didn't break. Okay, all right, well, I think that's all I have for you guys, but I really just want to encourage you guys, whether it's for yourself or for your clients, you know, those BOD resources, they're there for you to use. There's so much information, much better than what I can articulate here today. Use those resources. Beachbody puts them there for a reason. Share them with your clients. Go research them yourself. And good luck with 80-Day Obsession. And I'm excited to see how your guys' results will be awesome. And go join the Eastside Health Coach page. Thanks, guys. Yes.